Welcome to 6587 Kuhn Crescent in beautiful Niagara Falls. This wonderful home boasts 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a fully finished basement with a separate walkout. Hi, I'm Gil Bellafleur, sales representative with Revel Realty, and this is my newest listing. For more information on this amazing home, call 905-980-1823 or visit bltniagara.ca.